Hey guys, and welcome back. Now, I know I was supposed to upload yesterday, or at least I wanted to, but there was a lot of things happening yesterday, so I didn't really have time. And now I have the time to do the instructions for the R-Class locomotive. That's right, the moment you all been waiting for. And now it is time to show you the full instruction booklet of how to build this locomotive. And I know there's going to be one person in particular who'd be really excited to see this. So hopefully you will enjoy this, and hopefully you'll be able to follow along. So, without further ado, let's get to it. My R-Class is now up to date with the digital version. It's got the new detailing at the front. It's now one thick off a curve instead of a double thick there. The back cab has been curved correctly. The only thing it's missing is the new cab interior, which I'll do at one point, and the extra bit of detail at the bottom of the R-Class. And also 711, in case you've been wondering as well, has also been updated to 761 standard as well. Let's go. So you know with the R-Class instructions, how it showed you how to add the small wheels? Well, the R-Class locomotive, at least mine, exactly, does not have small wheels. In fact, it has the extra large wheels. So now I'm going to tell you how to build these and implant it to your model. Alright, so you know how this is quite a few skinnies thick. You want to remove at least either one or two skinnies off the base. You'll know if you did it right. It should line up with the height of this part here. Right? Right. Now, I'm going to show you how to build the wheel section. So you go to bigbandbricks.com and get the extra large wheels. And you want to like spokes with like a little balancing plate. Now you want one of the plates to face this way, then on the other side you want it to face to the left, so you have top and then left, or it could be right. That's how you balance out the wheels. And then with these little black bits here, which is connected by a 6 long black axle, you want to place them at the very end of your base, and then 4 studs, and then in the middle you place your last one, and you place it on the very end. As you can see, the end of the base, and that should spin freely. Now you want your blind ones, so without the flange, same configuration, but make sure the upward spoke is the same as the one on that side. And these, the blind ones, are the middle ones. So place them 4 studs away from your first one. In the middle, like that, 4 studs away, and it should look like that, far apart, making sure to align those. Then with your last one, add this one to the very end of your base. That at the very end. And finally, align all of them like that. So when we're facing upwards, the other ones should be facing to the left, like that. And now the connecting rods. Now for the connecting rods, this assembly is the exact same for both sides. Just flip one of them upside down for the other one. So you need a 7 long, thin whole piece in black. Then get one of these light grey Technic pins or something like that. Well, they're not technic pins, but yeah. And place it at the very end, like that. Now, next, we're gonna want to get another one of these 7 long thin axles. Place another one of these light grey clips, or whatever you want to call them, at the very end. Then you want a new piece. Want one of these in dark grey, and clip this one at the very end of your black tube, like that. Then grab this assembly, push the pin out, and attach the back one like that. So you get that. Finally, we're gonna want to get another one of these black long bars with a Technic pin in light grey without friction, and place that 2 away from the front, like that. So there should be three holes in between. And then you add this little clip piece with an axle and a light grey stopper at the bottom, slide it all the way to the bottom, and attach it to the very end of your connecting rods. Then, depending on what side you want, flip it for this side and flip it upside down for the other side. So create 2 of these and attach them. This one will go into that hole, that will go into that hole, and the dark grey one will go into the last hole. Then with these bits, you wanna put them in between the tube like that, and attach them there. And I'll show you a picture of what that would look like.